dear students, we are going to start the first chapter, differentiation of mathematics 2. So last year, means in 11th standard, we have studied about the differentiation, but we have studied very basic rules of differentiation. Now just revise that rules of differentiation. The first rule of differentiation is y equal to u plus v, means y is addition of two functions. Then differentiation of y with respect to x, means differentiation of y with respect to x equal to differentiation of u with respect to x plus differentiation of v with respect to x. Now suppose, for example, if y equal to sin x plus e raised to x, then according to the addition rule of differentiation, dy by dx equal to differentiation of sin x plus differentiation of e raised to x. So we know differentiation of sin x with respect to dx with respect to x is cos x, and differentiation of e raised to x with respect to x is e raised to x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. We know the formula, that is differentiation of sin x with respect to dx equal to cos x. By using this formula, differentiation of sin x is cos x and differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x. Similarly, the second rule. The second rule is y equal to difference between two functions, that is u minus v. Then dy by dx equal to du by dx minus dv by dx, that is differentiation of u with respect to x minus differentiation of v with respect to x. For example, suppose y equal to sin x minus e raised to x. In this case, differentiation of y with respect to x equal to differentiation of sin x with respect to dx minus differentiation of e raised to x with respect to x. The third rule is that if y equal to u into v, then dy by dx equal to, while taking the derivative of multiplication of two functions, if one function is constant, differentiation of second function with respect to x plus second function is constant, differentiation of first function with respect to x. If there are three functions, then take the derivative of first function, remaining two functions are constant, plus derivative of second function, remaining two functions are constant, like this. This rule is used for multiplication of n number of functions. Okay. For example, y equal to sin x into e raised to x. Then dy by dx equal to sin x is constant, differentiation of e raised to x with respect to x plus e raised to x is constant, differentiation of sin x with respect to dx. And we know the formula of differentiation of sin x. Differentiation of sin x. Differentiation of sin x. Here sin x is constant. Differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x. Plus e raised to x is constant here. Differentiation of sin x. We know the formula, that is cos x. This is the differentiation of sin x into e raised to x. Now the fourth function the fourth function is, that is the fourth rule of differentiation is y equal to u upon v. This is known as the quotient rule of derivative. So here u is the numerator, v is the denominator. So while taking the derivative, that is dy by dx, keep the function at numerator constant, the function at denominator constant, take the derivative of numerator, that is differentiation of u with respect to x, minus function at denominator constant, derivative of function at numerator is constant, derivative of denominator with respect to x upon v square. This is the formula for derivative of the quotient of two functions, that is u upon v. You have to remember one thing, while we take the derivative of multiplication of two function, म्हणजे ज्यावेळी आपल्याला दोन फंक्शनचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन घ्यायचं असेल तेव्हा तुम्ही आधी पहिलं फंक्शन कॉन्स्टंट ठेवलं, दुसऱ्याचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतलं, दुसरं फंक्शन कॉन्स्टंट ठेवलं, पहिल्याचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतलं, आणि याला आधी कुणाला घेतलं नंतर कुणाला घेतलं दॅट इज नथिंग मॅटर, की ह्याला महत्त्व नाही आहे ह्या मल्टिप्लिकेशन रूलमध्ये. पण ज्यावेळेस y इक्वल टू यू अपॉन v मीन्स इन केस ऑफ कोशंट रूल, फर्स्ट कंपल्सरी वी हॅव टू टेक डिनॉमिनेटर ॲज अ कॉन्स्टंट. पहिल्यांदा डिनॉमिनेटरलाच कॉन्स्टंट ठेवायचं आणि नंतर न्यूमरेटरला कॉन्स्टंट ठेवायचं. ओके, दॅट इज सपोज y इक्वल टू साइन x अपॉन e रेज टू x, देन dy by dx equal to e raised to x constant which is denominator, derivative of sin x with respect to dx minus sin x is constant, derivative of e raised to x with respect to dx upon v square. This is the quotient rule. These are the rules of differentiation which are very basic rules. Okay, now we use some basic formulas for derivative. Let us revise that formula. First one, that is differentiation of sin x with respect to dx equal to cos x. Second, differentiation of cos x with respect to dx equal to minus sin x. Then differentiation of tan x with respect to dx equal to sec square of x. Differentiation of sec x with respect to dx equal to sec x into tan x. Differentiation of cosec x with respect to dx equal to minus cosec x into cot x. Differentiation of cot x with respect to dx equal to minus cosec square x. Differentiation of e raised to x with respect to dx equal to e raised to x. Differentiation of a raised to x with respect to dx equal to a raised to x log of a. Differentiation of root x with respect to dx equal to 1 upon 2 root x. And differentiation of x raised to n with respect to dx equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. This formula is very important. For example, when we have to find out the derivative of x raised to 4 with respect to dx, here n equal to 4. So derivative of this is n means 4, x raised to 4 minus 1, that is 3. So these are the basic formulae, these are the basic rules of differentiation. आणि जर समजा हे फॉर्म्युलाच आपल्याला लर्न नसेल तर आपल्याला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढता येऊ शकत. त्यामुळे ही सगळी फॉर्म्युले आपल्याला लर्न असली पाहिजे. दॅट्स वाय वी हॅव रिवाइज ऑल दिस टॉपिक्स. नाव the actual topic of differentiation in 12th standard is first topic, that is the chain rule or the differentiation of composite function. Let us see the differentiation of composite function, that means the chain rule. Now just again once time revise the formulae for the differentiation. That is, the first differentiation of sin x is cos x. Second, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Third, differentiation of tan x equal to sec square of x. Differentiation of sec x with respect to dx is sec x into tan x. Differentiation of cosec x with respect to dx is minus cosec x into cot x. Differentiation of, that is the sixth one, differentiation of cot x with respect to dx is minus cosec square x. Differentiation of e raised to x with respect to dx is e raised to x. Differentiation of eighth one, differentiation of a raised to x is a raised to x log of a. Ninth one, differentiation of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. And the 10th one, that is, which is very important, differentiation of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1.